Hi, I hope you're well. It's been quite a while since we've spoken, and I just thought I'd send you this very short video message to let you know what's going on since you left. Now, in IM Academy, things have changed quite a lot since you were a member. We now have training every single day, 24 hours a day, more or less, to help you learn how to trade the 4 different things that we trade. So going back to the trading element, we actually trade not just Forex, but also we trade cryptocurrencies as well, like Bitcoin. At the moment, there are 5,000 cryptocurrencies in the market. And whether you know this or not, a couple of weeks back, we had Bitcoin halving that occurred. So prior to Bitcoin halving, 12.5 Bitcoins were produced every 10 minutes. Today, 6.25 Bitcoins are being produced every 10 minutes. So the supply of Bitcoin to the market has halved. Whenever halving occurs, the price naturally goes up. It's basic economics. The supply comes down, demand for the commodity goes up, and hence the price goes up. In 2016, the prior Bitcoin halving occurred when the supply to the market came down from 25 Bitcoins to 12.5 Bitcoins every 10 minutes. And in 2017, a year later, December 2017, the price of Bitcoin hit its all-time high of $20,000. So at the moment, the price of Bitcoin is hovering around the $9,500 mark. Now we are expecting by the end of next year the price of Bitcoin to again shoot through the roof. In fact, within 2 to 3 years of today, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to hit in the region of 6 figures, and by that I mean at least $100,000. So if you're not invested in Bitcoin at the moment, if you're not trading Bitcoin at the moment, I would definitely recommend it. So we trade Forex, so you've got your natural currency pairs like your pounds, dollars, euros, and so on and so on. We trade cryptocurrencies. One of my favorite, I trade Bitcoin quite a bit. I also hodl Bitcoin as well, and also we do indices like the stock market, US 30, German 30, and a fair few others. And also another favorite of mine is commodities. Obviously the price of oil has gone through the floor and it's a good time to buy. We also do gas, gold, silver, and a few other commodities as well. So IM Academy has changed since you were last a member, and the good news is that we cover all aspects of trading. We don't just scalp the market, we do day trading as well. We do swing, where you hold the trade for days and weeks, and also position trading, where you're holding the trades for weeks, months and years. In the case of scalping, you can hold the trade for seconds and minutes and still achieve an amazing return on your capital. Now, I don't know if you know this, but we have a very big recession coming, and at the moment the stock markets are terrible. A lot of companies have lost millions, billions of dollars on their natural assets because of what's happening in the market. Now, based on what's happening in the economy today, based on the fact that the government is pumping a lot of cash back into society, a few months, a few years from today, someone has to pay that back, and that will come through higher taxes, through inflation, and employees and even the self-employed will have to pay that through higher taxes. And in fact, every single person we'll be seeing the higher prices in shops through inflation, and then you've got the tax on petrol, diesel, and I could go on and on. So again, based on what's happening today, we are expecting a recession very soon, if not a depression. When that happens, a lot of companies will go bust, banks will potentially go bust as well, and the landscape, the economic landscape, will be a lot different to what it is today. So my recommendation to you is to learn how to trade. It's not too late. We can show you how to trade within a few months. We have a very good model. It's much better than what we had before, and we will teach you, hold your hand, and mentor you until you succeed. Now, the amazing news is that currently our renewal is $175 or thereabouts. However, if you are able to join today, we will pay $100 of that. So you can return to IM Academy for the small sum of $75. Now, $75 equates to around 50 to 60 pounds, UK pounds. So So that's like pennies almost. People spend that on coffee in a month. My recommendation to you is make this small investment today. We'll pay you $100 back. So you are effectively paying around $75. And again, look at the system that we have now. It's a lot different to what we were doing before. We have new packages like Vibrato, which allow you to scout the market. We have Steady, we have DeLorean. We have quite a few packages that we can show you how to use, and many of these are beginner packages, so you don't have to be an expert. And of course we have cryptocurrency packages as well. Put your trust in me, put your trust in the system. Since you've left, we've helped many more people become financially free. Currently there's around 200,000 students learning how to trade with us. We are expecting to hit 1 million students within a couple of years, and that is our goal. Reach out to me, let's have a quick 5-minute conversation, and I can show you what's different today than it was when you were a member. My success is your success, and I will do whatever it takes to make you succeed. All you have to do is put your trust in the system and follow the plan, and we'll make it happen today. My name's Dr Jav. Please reach out to me. You've got my number. Drop me a text message and we'll arrange a quick 5-minute conversation, and I can show you what's different and show you how for the princely sum, or in fact small sum of $75, you can come back into the system and absolutely smash it. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon.